How's it going, guys? Welcome to CardBreakKids.com. Today we're doing a personal box break for John K. of 1415 Select Basketball. He chose box number 9. All right, good luck, John.
Good luck, John, after that 1-of-1.
What's up, what a guess?
What a kiss.
All right, you got Blue Wave, Cal Lowry, and die cut autograph, Michael Carter Williams. That is 16 out of 25.
You can look top of this?
Yeah. Those should fit 120. Maybe even 100, I'm not sure.
Okay.
CJ McCollum, light blue die cut. This is out of 199. 62, 199. National Treasures, football, 2014, next Wednesday. John Wall, courtside parallel. Prism, Trevor Ariza.
Is it more one-touch team there?
Nice. We got tie-dye. Paul Gasol. 23 out of 25. Michael Jordan. Purple wave, Eric Bledsoe for the Suns. Courtside parallel. And Carl Landry, jersey auto. 33 out of 35. Carl Landry. Light blue die cut, Bellinelli. 45, 199. Got a Wiggins base card. Prism of Trey Burke. And an Andrew Wiggins base card. A dummy card here. And a courtside parallel, Zach LaVine. Prism of Derek Favors. And Tony Parker. That's also a prism. Blue Wave, Larry Johnson. Non-numbered. Last pack for you, John. John Henson. Courtside parallel. And jersey card of John Stockton. Hall of Fame. Hollowed ground jersey. 134, 149. All right, thank you, John. We'll get them out with the rest of your cards.